Hi guys, and today we'll be covering a $400 gaming PC build. You'll be able to get medium to high settings on most recent titles. I say most because you won't get medium to high settings on The Witcher. You may get medium with some overclocking, but anyways, as I said in the last video, we do graphics performance at the end of the video. So let's get right into the parts with the CPU. For the CPU, we'll be getting an AMD Athlon X4 860K 3.7 GHz processor. It comes in at $59. It's a quad-core processor, which is everything we need for gaming. It's one of the best CPUs for the money, and I went AMD because at this price point you should go AMD. It's really difficult to build a PC with an Intel CPU at this price point. Anyways, then we're done with the CPU. Now let's get on to the motherboard. For the motherboard, we'll be using a ASRock FM2A68M dash DG3 Plus Micro ATX FM2 Plus board. Comes in at $45.99. It has PCI Express 3.0. It doesn't support M.2. It has USB 3.0 headers. It has two USB 3.0 at the back. It pretty much has everything you want for a modern computer. It's obviously on the FM2 Plus socket, which will support our CPU. And that's pretty much it for the board. Let's get on with the memory. For the memory, we'll be getting a G.Skill Ripjaws X Series 8GB kit, 2 4GB 6. It's clocked at DDR3 1600 MHz. It comes in at $39.99, which is really good for 8 gigs, and it's G.Skill Ripjaws X Series, which is really good quality RAM. It has a badass heatsink on it. It's red. It will go really nice with our build, although at $400 price point it's really difficult to get a really clean color scheme. But anyways, it's not something that there isn't in the build. Anyways, that we're done with the memory now. That's all there is to say with it. Don't get 4GB of RAM. You won't be doing any gaming anytime soon with 4GB of RAM. Stick with 8GB. It's so cheap. You might as well go with it. Anyways, let's go on to with the storage. No SSD in this build. But for storage, we'll be getting a Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB 3.5-inch 7200 RPM drive. It comes in at $49.88. It's a really good drive overall. It's the fastest it will get for mechanical drives, consumer grade obviously. It has really good warranty and everything you want for a mechanical drive. That's pretty much it for storage. Let's get and continue with the video card. For the video card, we'll be getting an MSI GeForce GTX 950. It's a 2GB model. It's the white model. It's the overclocked model by MSI. It comes in at $154.99, but there's a $10 mail-in rebate, which may get it for $144.99, which is really good. And at that point, it's like a really good deal. So if you decide to use this mail-in rebate, you'll be getting the card at $144.99. Anyways, now that we're done with the graphics card, as I always say, graphics performance will be at the end of the video. Let's continue with the case. For the case, we'll be getting an Enermax Torex 80X mid-tower case. No window on this case. It comes in at $39.99, but there is a $15 mail-in rebate, which can get it as low as $25.98. At that point, it's like a go-to deal. I highly suggest you use a mail-in rebate. This case is a really popular and good case by Enermax. I highly suggest this case. I was going to get an Enermax case, but now I have a Zalman Z3 Plus. But anyways, that's beside the point. But for $25.98, if you use the $15 mail-in rebate, it's a really good deal. It's really good for $39.99 too. It's a full ADX case, mid-tower case. Sorry. But anyways, that's it for the case. It's only in black, by the way, and so if you would like white, you may need to go change the case a little bit. But anyways, you can get micro ATX cases too, because we have a micro ATX board. Just be sure the graphics card fits in it if you want to change the case. Anyways, let's continue with the power supply. For the power supply, we'll be getting an EVGA 430 watt 80 plus certified power supply. I know that you're saying it's a 430 watt power supply. It will do everything we want it to do, and this PC part picker page that I have open right now, there's written that it will consume 274 watts of power, including the graphics card, the CPU, everything. So you'll have a lot of headroom left anyways. It's an 80 plus certified, so you're using 80% of the efficiency. It's not an 80 plus bronze because it wouldn't fit in our budget. $400 is a really tight budget. So yeah, we could get an 80 plus by EVGA. EVGA is well known for their quality power supplies, and we won't be needing more than 430 watts from the power supply. That's it for the build. Now the total would be $424.83, but there is a total of $35 mail-in rebates, which will get it down to $390. But base total is $424. So if you use the mail-in rebates, you're getting under $400. If you don't use the mail-in rebates, you're getting a little bit over $400. But if you're gonna spend $400, $25 is nothing, and prices are going down and down every single day, especially for the RAM and the graphics card. And yeah, now some charts are going to pop up for the graphics performance. The GTX 950 has really good graphics performance for the price. This is the cheapest one there is, the cheapest 950 I could find. If you can't afford that extra $25, then you would have to get a 750 Ti, but for $25, I don't suggest getting a 750 Ti. A 950 will do you good, especially if you play League of Legends, World of Warcraft, and those type of games. You max them out all, even at 1440p, and even at 4K for that reason. But anyways, this is, by the way, a 1080p build. If you want to play games like Battlefield 4, GTA 5, and The Witcher, don't try using this at 40p or 4K, because you won't be able to play those games at 4K or 1440p. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Links to the PC part picker link down in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time with a $350 gaming PC build.